Hey guys, Roger with Grower Solution. Wow, it's been hot. Now I can tell you today it's not. It's nice and cloudy, there's a breeze. Actually, we're taping this afternoon because it finally quit raining. But we are in the middle of dog days. And if you don't know what dog days are, they actually have official dates here. July 3rd through August 11th. That's from the Farmer's Almanac. Very interesting. I didn't know they had dates for that. But it's when it's hot, humid, muggy, nasty, your garden weeds are knee-high, and you think, I'm done with the garden. Well, I'm here to tell you, you can put your second garden out now. You know, University of Tennessee, and I bet you every university in whatever state you're in does this, but they have a PDF. We're going to put a link to this, but the University of Tennessee puts one out that says Fall Vegetable Gardens. It talks about everything that you can grow. You're only halfway through the season, folks. You can do all your cool season crops. It's a great time to do your garden. No, you're probably not going to have any luck with green peppers the second half because it's going to get colder. But think of how sweet your broccoli will be because it matures in the cool times. So anyway, we're going to put a link to that. I know that won't be for everybody. It's not going to be for somebody up in North Dakota. But Tennessee and surrounding states and even the Midwest, it's going to help you an awful lot, and you're going to get some ideas. Go to your state university website and just look up gardening in the fall, and I guarantee you something will come up. Thank you again for your business. We appreciate it. Y'all have a wonderful rest of the day.